Hi students, how are you? We hope that you are all fine at home. You are watching the videos regularly, we hope that. And we also hope that you are doing the worksheets as per the schedule. You know, many students like you nowadays, because of this lockdown, they are studying at home. Many students, almost all the students across the country in Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, so various parts of the country. So in this video, let me share some guidelines which you should follow regarding this study at home activity. Do's and don'ts, what all you should do, what all you should not do. I request the parents also to watch this video along with their children. Okay. I will list out all these guidelines pointers. Now let me come to the first point. All of you students keep one thing in mind, that these lectures which you are receiving in the form of videos won't be repeated. See, when the normalcy returns, you all come to the campus, and once you are in the campus, these lectures which have been covered during this study at home activity won't be repeated. No teacher will teach you these topics again. And one more thing, once you are in the campus, these videos won't be available to you to watch them again. So if you miss a video, if you miss a particular lecture at home, you will miss it forever. So keep this in mind. Follow the schedule regularly. One more thing let me add. Whatever content that is covered in these lectures, that content is sufficient for EAMCET students. But advanced, mains and NEET students require something extra. And whatever extra is required for these three streams, that will be given to you once you are back in the campus. Don't worry about that. So whatever content that is being sent to you now at present is the basic content, whatever is given in the academic textbook or the NCERT textbook. For EAMCET students it is sufficient, but for other streams, NEET, mains and advanced, some extra is necessary, and you will gather that extra concepts, extra information, extra worksheets once you are back in the campus. Don't worry about it. Now let me come to the second guideline. And this guideline is regarding some technical aspects, because you are using mobiles, you are using laptops, you are using PCs. So let me tell you some technical aspects of this study at home program. All of you better watch the videos on a laptop or PC. If you have, of course. If you don't have laptop or PC at home, don't force your father or mother to go out and get it. No, don't do that. You can manage it with the mobile. But if you have laptop or PC, better you do the entire work on laptop or PC. See, when you see the mobile, your posture will be like this. But when you see the laptop or PC, it is like this and your posture is like this. And it is a better posture. But if you don't have laptop or PC, no problem. We have to adjust with whatever we have. Don't trouble your parents at this time. Okay, and next. Do you know that you can selectively turn off mobile data to WhatsApp if you don't require? If you are worried with the notification sounds, you can turn off the mobile data to selectively WhatsApp. And when you turn off the mobile data to WhatsApp, other apps will run normally. You can use Google, you can use YouTube, but you have turned off the WhatsApp, mobile data to the WhatsApp, but still Google works, the YouTube works. Whenever you receive video, you just click on the link and that will take you to the YouTube. And once you do that, you no more require mobile data to the WhatsApp. Because if mobile data to the WhatsApp is on, then you constantly receive notifications. You are watching the video and you are constantly receiving the notifications. Whenever there is a notification, the volume decreases, then it increases, again decreases, again increases. So it will create a lot of disturbance to you. So keep the mobile data off to the WhatsApp and you turn it on only when it is necessary. See, everything is scheduled. You know when you will receive the video. You know when approximately when you will receive the worksheet. Only during those times turn it on and other times turn it off. And if you want to see the others' doubts, what are the doubts asked by your classmates and how the teachers responded to that, anyway you can do that before going to the bed at around 8 o'clock or 8:30 in the evening. You can just scroll down the entire conversation. You can go through that. You can see all the doubts asked by your classmates, no problem. But in the morning 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. during this scheduled time, don't get disturbed by these notifications. Whenever you receive something, then only you turn on the mobile data and the rest of the times you just turn it off. And one more thing, do you know that this WhatsApp window can be opened on a laptop screen or PC screen with WhatsApp web? So if you do not know that, learn it, and from tomorrow onwards, you see this entire WhatsApp window on laptop screen. That is a better thing. And let us come to the third point. See, you are all studying at home. There are some positives, there are some negatives. And if I first come to the positives, let me list out all the positives. First is food. So you are having homely food, so that is a big advantage. And second, you are with those persons day and night. You are with those persons who love you the most and whom you love the most, parents. And this is another big positive. And third, if you come to the academics, there is third positive. That is, see, when you are in the campus, you attend the actual class. Some teachers go fast, some teachers go slow. See, many of you complain, sir, that sir is very fast, I am not getting. So now you don't have that problem. Now the video class is at your pace. Generally in the campus, the class is at the teacher's pace. But now the class is at your pace. You can pause the video. You can see it again and again. You can see it as many times as you want. Until you get some point, until you understand some point, you can watch it again and again. This is another big positive. And if you come to the negative side, of course this is not negative to all the students, but majority of the, for majority of the students it is a negative point. That is, with time, the motivation levels go down. The energy levels go down. You become gradually lethargic, less in energy, sleepy. And if that happens, then that is very dangerous. Okay, then how can you avoid that? How can you prevent that from happening? It is very simple. Just keep reminding yourself of your goal. See, you have different goals. Some of you want to become a doctor. Some of you want to go to IIT. Some of you want to go to the best NIT in this country. You have different goals. So constantly remind yourself of your goal. That will keep your motivation level high. And that is the only thing which can prevent that negative point from happening. I will tell you 3 examples. And from these 3 examples, you all know one example. That is the character of Ekalavya in the epic Mahabharata. Ekalavya was very interested in archery. And he was talented also. And he asked Drona to coach him. But Drona denied that. But Ekalavya did not give it up. Before the clay statue of Drona, he started training himself. and went on to become one of the best archer of the time. And arguably, he was even a better archer than Arjuna. And Arjuna had the advantage of being trained directly under Drona. And Ekalavya did not have that advantage, but still Ekalavya became a better archer than Arjuna. Only two things. One is a feeling that I should achieve the goal at any cost, and the second one, the belief that I can do it. Only these two things kept that character highly motivated all the time. And if I come to the second example, in 2011, Ankit Jalan, one student named Ankit Jalan, he secured All India Open Category 45th rank, 4-5, 45th rank in 2011 in JEE Advance. And you know, he did not take coaching for IIT JEE. He just attended the school, CBSE school, and you all know in CBSE schools at the 11th and 12th level, they teach only the board syllabus. They don't teach the advanced concepts required for this JEE. But without attending any coaching center, he secured that rank, All India rank 45. And his name is Ankit Jalan. And in the same year, 2011, one more student, Anshul Kumar, he secured 65th rank. Again, without attending the coaching. Actually, Anshul Kumar attended FIIT for 1 month. But after that, he left and he did not attend any coaching class thereafter. But he secured 65th rank. See, Ekalavya, Ankit Jalan, or Anshul Kumar. Only two things. I told you already. A feeling that at any cost I should achieve my goal, and second, a belief that I can do it. These two things keep your motivation levels high. If you constantly remind yourself of your goal, then everything falls in place. Oh, this time I should watch the video. This time I should do the worksheet. This time breakfast. This time sleep. So everything goes as per the schedule. But nobody needs to force it on you. Okay, neither your parents nor your teachers. So please remember all of you. Now let me come to the next guideline. And this is regarding character. See, sometimes what happens, suppose if a teacher calls you and asks you whether you have written the running notes or not on that particular day. You actually did not write it, but you bluffed him. Sir, yes, I have written that. So, you have lost your character. You cheated your teacher. You lied him. So, you lost your character. Okay. And suppose there is an exam. You actually got 30 marks. And you told your parents and friends and the teacher that you actually got 80. And bluffing, this is also a bluffing, loss of character. See, character is above all. You may have talent, you may do hard work, but character is above all this. So please mind it, all of you, my dear children. If you have the character, honesty, integrity, responsibility, your parents will keep their heads high in society. And if you have the negative character, cheating attitude, telling lies, bluffing and all that, it will be highly embarrassing to your parents. So children, you decide whether you will make your parents keep their heads high or you will make them embarrassed. It is in your hands. Okay, now let us come to the last point. ఇంట్లో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇంచుమించుగా ఇంకొక నెల వరకు ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటారు, మిడ్ మే వరకు ఆల్మోస్ట్. ఇంట్లో మమ్మీ చేసింది తినండి, అది చెయ్యి ఇది చెయ్యి అని అడగద్దు. అలాగే డాడీని బయటికి పంపించి అది తీసుకురా ఇది తీసుకురా అని కూడా అడగద్దు. సో ఈ రెండు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. వీలైతే ఒక పావు గంట 20 నిమిషాలు వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. యూ కెన్ డూ దట్. మీరు 8 to 10 అవర్స్ స్టడీ షెడ్యూల్ వేసుకోండి. ఒక 7 to 8 అవర్స్ స్లీప్ షెడ్యూల్ ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ. ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ. చూడండి, ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ చేయడానికి పెద్ద గ్రౌండ్ అక్కర్లా, బయటకు వెళ్ళక్కర్లా, మన ఇంట్లోనే చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇదంతా చేసుకుని కూడా మీ ఫాదర్కో మదర్కో మనం ఒక పావు గంట 20 నిమిషాలు హెల్ప్ చేయొచ్చు. I see that is what is building the character. It is part of the character about which I already told. Honesty, లేకపోతే ఇంటెగ్రిటీ, వాటితో పాటు రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ. ఓకేనా? అది. సో ఈ ఫాదర్ని కానీ మదర్ కానీ ఏం ఇబ్బంది పెట్టద్దు, ఏముంటే వాటితోనే అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోండి. అండ్ మీ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అంతా ఇప్పుడు స్టడీ మీద ఉండాలి. ఇక పేరెంట్స్కి వచ్చేపాటికి మీరు యాక్చువల్గా వీళ్ళ స్టడీ షెడ్యూల్ జరుగుతుందా లేదా మానిటర్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. అంటే మీరు చేయగలిగేది ఏంటంటే ఈ టైంలో పేరెంట్స్గా మీరు చేయగలిగేది ఒకటి, వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ మానిటర్ చేస్తున్నారు, అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి వాళ్ళు చదువుతున్నారా లేదా. మీకు ఏ డౌట్ వచ్చినా వాళ్ళ టీచర్కి ఫోన్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే మాకు ఫోన్ చేయండి. డైరెక్టర్స్లో ముగ్గురులో ఎవరికైనా ఫోన్ చేయొచ్చు మీరు. మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ వస్తే వాడు చదవట్లేదు, చదివినట్టు నటిస్తున్నాడు, అలాంటి ఏమైనా డౌట్లు ఉంటే మాకు ఫోన్ చేయండి, మేము ఒకసారి మాట్లాడతాం. అదొకటి. తర్వాత 2, హెల్దీ ఫుడ్ వాళ్ళకి రోజు వెళ్ళేటట్టుగా చూసుకోండి, అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒక్క హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ హెల్త్ బాగానే ఉంటే ఒక్క హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ వాళ్ళ చేత ఫిజికల్ యాక్టివిటీ చేయించండి. ఇక మరి ఈ స్టడీ మొత్తం వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ కానివ్వండి, వర్క్షీట్స్ కానివ్వండి, అంతా ఇంటర్నెట్తో కూడుకుంది కాబట్టి మరి ఇంటర్నెట్ ఏదైనా స్లో ఉంటే దాన్ని ఫాస్ట్ చేయడం ఎలాగో ఒక్కసారి ఆలోచించి అదైనా పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటే చేయండి. అది కూడా మీ అబ్బాయికి కానీ అమ్మాయికి కానీ చాలా బాగా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఈ మాత్రం మీరు చేయగలరు. పేరెంట్స్కి ఇది నా రిక్వెస్ట్. ఇక ఫైనల్గా చిల్డ్రన్, మీరు మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ క్యాంపస్కి వచ్చేపాటికి కొద్దిగా చేంజ్ అయ్యి రావాలి. మీ క్యారెక్టర్ పాజిటివ్ సైడ్ బిల్డప్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? హానెస్టీ పెంచుకోవాలి, రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ పెంచుకోవాలి. ఏదైనా మనం ఎవరైనా చెప్తే చేయడం లేకపోతే లేదు అన్నట్టుగా ఉండకూడదు. సో మారి రావాలి. అంటే ఎలా అంటే ఒక ఏకలవ్యుడిగా రావాలి. మీరు అందరూ క్యాంపస్కి వచ్చే ముందు మీలో ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు ఒక ఏకలవ్యుడిగా రావాలి. అది మా ముగ్గురు విషయం. సో జాగ్రత్తగా షెడ్యూల్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే టీచర్ టచ్లో ఉండండి. డౌట్స్ని ఏమీ బ్యాక్లాగ్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు, అక్యుములేట్ అవ్వకూడదు. మ్యాక్సిమం 1 డే కన్నా ఎక్కువ లేట్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఇవాళ వచ్చిన డౌట్ రేపు ఈవినింగ్ కల్లా ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లోనూ క్లియర్ అయిపోవాలి. షెడ్యూల్ స్ట్రిక్ట్గా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. మరి బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.